In the description videos of program, we use Yamaha Scara Robot, YK180XG. We use these point data in the programs. Please change the coordinate values according to the movable area of your robot. In this video, we will explain about the variables. A variable is a box that the value or characters can be stored temporarily. To create a variable, put a name on a box for the box identification, and define what to put into the box in the program. To create a variable in the program, use the assignment expression. Unlike normal expressions, the assignment expression in programs is used to store the value, character, or calculation result in a specified location. In the normal expression, a formula comes on the left of equals, and a calculation result comes on the right of equals. However, in the assignment expression, the assignment destination comes on the left of equals, and the value, formula, and etc. comes on the right of equals. For instance, when ABC equals 100 is executed, the value 100 will be stored in the variable ABC. The variables can be divided in two categories: system variables and user variables. The system variables are the variables that a name or function is predefined by the controller system. Input and output variables, point variables, and shift variables are some examples. The user variables are the variables that can be defined by users. Among user variables, there are dynamic variables which the content in it will be reset by a program reset, etc., and static variables which the content will be retained in contrast. The name of dynamic variables can be defined by users. However, there are restrictions of naming. The available characters are alphanumeric characters and underscores. 32 characters maximum, and the initial character has to be an alphabet. Also, the reserved words cannot be used without altering. If you add a character at the end, it will be usable as a variable. The variable names that start with a system variable cannot be used. To check the reserved words, please refer to the reserved word list in the programming manual. The variable type can be specified by adding the type declaration character at the end. Declare as the integer number with %mark. Declare as the real number with exclamation mark. And declare as the character with $mark. If the declaration character is being omitted, the variable will be identified as a real number. Even if the variable names are the same. If you add different variable types, they will be recognized as different variables. Names of static variable are specified by the system. Only numerical values can be stored in the static variables. In other words, characters cannot be stored. There are 32 variables, each of integer type and real number type. To let the variable value to be cleared by a program reset, etc. Please use the static variables. In other case, we would like to recommend using the dynamic variables, which allow for more flexible naming. That is all the explanation for the variables.